Hey guys! In today's video, I'll show you how you can add your bank details to a Xero invoice. So let's get started. Adding your bank details to an invoice is a simple process in Xero, but it makes it easier for your customers to pay you. Here's how you can do it. First, log into your Xero account and go to the Sales section. From the dashboard, click on Invoices to create a new invoice or edit an existing one. In the invoice creation screen, scroll down to the Footer section. Here, you'll see an option to add custom text to your invoice. This is where you can add your bank account details, such as bank name, account number, BSB or sort code, SWIFT code for international payments. Simply type your bank details in the footer text box, ensuring it's clear and easy to read for your customers. If you don't want to manually type this on every invoice, you can set it as default for all future invoices. Once you've added the bank details, complete the rest of the invoice and save or approve it. Your customers will now see your bank details at the bottom of the invoice and can pay you directly. And that's it. You've successfully added your bank details to a Xero invoice, making it easier for clients to pay you directly into your bank account. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.